Hey, this is Jeff with Stone LLC. Quick driveway note after that wet spring snow we just had. Moisture is not always the enemy, but bad drainage is. Wet spring storms are usually when mountain driveways start showing their weak spots. Runoff can destroy a driveway fast, but water is not automatically a bad thing for driveway repair. When the drainage is handled right and the surface is shaped correctly, a little moisture can actually help with compaction, finishing, dust control, and getting the material to bed together. The key is making sure that water is working with the driveway, not against it. If your driveway is showing ruts, washboarding, potholes, washouts, or drainage issues after this storm, now is a good time to take a look before small problems turn into big repairs.